Today in this short video, I'm going to show you the new ColorVu technology that is taking over the market. First up is a traditional security surveillance camera, which is black and white at night. As you can see, there's no color definition in this shot. You'd be unable to give police officers or any other information regarding color in the situation. Now here is the ColorVu camera. Both of these cameras are in the same room and the same light level. This camera is producing a very rich color in an almost completely black environment with minimal light.